God, what is happening? Stay put, girl. Stay. You know what? We're just gonna roll with you like that. Okay. So now is going to be the tricky part because this is a one-shot deal, or this whole video is a flop, and I made you watch this for nothing because I need content anyway. So, I'm thinking I don't know. I'm gonna swatch these on my hand because I have two. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am inspired by Pennywise, but I'm going to be turning myself into Pennywise's hot wife. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to start out with is my brows. I'm going to dip into the original Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to go right into this vibrant red color and I'm just going to do my brows. So I did my eyebrows and I carved them out and I used the Milani concealer to put on my eyelids to prep me for eyeshadows. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to jump into that. And I did make my brows a little bit on the crazier side because, you know, Pennywise, you know. I'm going to dip into the James Charles palette in this white color that he has. I am just going to put this all over my lid to kind of set myself up for not failure because that's what we're going for here. Going into the original Jaclyn Hill palette, she has pretty good like orangey reds in here. So I am actually going to dip into this color with our M573 brush and I'm just going to like bring this all the way up to my brows to get ready for some reds. Now I'm going to jump into the James Charles palette and this like fire hydrant red that he has. I'm going to take that on a brush that looks like this. This is an Urban Decay brush. I don't know what it's called. I've had it forever, but you know, it's fine. I'm going to take an M503 and I'm going to dip into Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm and this super dark like purpley red. I'm going to add into the crease to darken it up. I'm also going to take this color and put it here and over here because I want a halo eye. So I'm going to ignore the middle but pack it on the rest of the way. And if you don't, like if you do get in the middle, it's not that big of a deal. You're more likely going to cut it a little bit with some concealer anyway. Going back into the James Charles palette, this brown color right here, I'm going to add into my brows because I feel like my eyeshadow is literally just going into my brows and my brows aren't really separated. So I'm going to add a little bit of brown to them to space them out a little bit better. I'm going to dab a little Milani concealer in this concealer brush, and I'm going to put it in the middle of my eyes to kind of cut out where I want my halo eye to be, because, you know, I'm a little messy with the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with Stila, the Perlina, their little, you know, these thingies, whatever they're called, liquid eyeshadow. And I'm going to take that same concealer brush and then put this where I want the halo eye to be. Now I'm just going to add some winged liner to this look we got going. Going in with my Jeffree Star concealer, I'm going to clean up my eyeshadow and clean up my winged eyeliner, because, you know, it's been a while since I've done this, so it's a little rough looking. Going in with that M503 brush again, I'm going to, wow, I'm losing my voice. I'm going to put it on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara. Okay, so I have 2 red lipsticks. I only have 2, so that's, yeah. So this is gonna be a one-time take. So I'm just gonna swatch these on my hands and figure out which one I'm going to use. The Morphe one comes out a little bit streaky, but it's kind of the darker color I want. I don't know, let me like, I think we're gonna have to do the Morphe one. I think. This is a Morphe brush that doesn't have a number, but it's kind of like, it's more for blending out underneath the eyes, but we're gonna use it for lipstick today. Shh, don't tell anyone. Now I am just kind of buffing this out around the corners a little bit, just to give it like that, you know, little edgy look. Alright, so now is the one-shot deal, because this is red lipstick, and red lipstick is so hard to get off. So I am not going to talk, just watch, because I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do this without, you know. Okay, this is just a rough sketch. I'm gonna clean it up, but like, that's not bad. But now I have to get the other side to match somehow. Now this. I am a mother feedback. I'm actually gonna take my eyebrow brush and I'm gonna like clean up the lines a little bit on this and make it a little bit more neat. Pennywise isn't perfect, so I'm not going to be either, you know, because I kind of figured that this video would be a flop, and you know what? I'm right. And you know, I'm doing clown makeup because I'm a clown, so it's just very fitting. put on fake lashes and be back because I look like a hot mess.
No float two. 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 Yeah. No float two. No float two. No float two. No float two.
Kind of flopped, kind of didn't. Tried to be Pennywise's hot wife, but you know, I'm ugly as shit. And apparently I can't do makeup, and apparently I can't get my filming setup to cooperate. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this ratchet video that just proves that I am 100% a clown. Love you guys. Peace out.